Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken club sandwich? Is it the chicken, the bread, or the sauce? Well, you're about to find out. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need chicken breast, bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, mayonnaise, bread, and cheese. Got everything? Great, let's move on. Start by seasoning and grilling your chicken breast. Sprinkle salt, pepper, and your favorite spices, then grill until golden. Once it's golden and juicy, set it aside. Now comes the fun part, assembling the sandwich. Start by toasting the bread for that extra crunch. Spread a generous layer of mayonnaise, followed by fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, our succulent grilled chicken, crispy bacon, and a slice of your favorite cheese. Top it off with another toasted slice. Look at those layers, almost done. Finish it off by cutting it diagonally. Watch the layers reveal themselves, a testament to your culinary prowess. Voila, your chicken club sandwich is ready. But wait, there's more. A feast for the eyes is just as important as the one for the palate. The perfect plate isn't just about the sandwich, it's about the companions too. Picture this, your chicken club sandwich, golden and inviting. Next to it, a generous mound of crispy potato chips, their crunch promising satisfaction. And there, a dollop of tangy tomato sauce, ready to add that zesty kick. There you have it, the perfect chicken club sandwich plate. Enjoy!